These apps are perfect for side hustles and will earn you a decent amount of cash. Hey guys, this is Cash Mojo. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 apps that pay you free PayPal money. Stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to reveal the #1 secret that could potentially make you a ton of money with PayPal and make passive income. Be sure to like and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our videos. Also, click on the notification bell icon to be notified. Now let's get straight into the video. Are you looking to make some extra cash? If so, then you might want to check out these apps. These apps will pay you free PayPal money for completing simple tasks. When it comes to making money online, the opportunities are endless. You could easily make extra cash by using these apps. Now, you won't make $67 per hour with any of the following apps except for #1. But be sure to watch this entire video because all the apps will still come in handy. Here are the following 10 apps that will pay you PayPal money. Number 10, Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a great way to earn some extra cash, and there are a few things you can do to maximize your earnings. I personally made $20 really fast by signing up for free trials through the website, and then I canceled the trials after. Another easy way to boost your income is to make sure you're taking advantage of all the available bonuses. For instance, many offers will give you a bonus if you complete them within a certain time frame. Paying attention to these deadlines can help you earn more money. Another great way to earn more money is to refer friends and family members. Inbox Dollars offers a generous referral bonus, so you can earn some easy money just by getting others to sign up. You'll also earn $5 for free just by signing up. Finally, be sure to cash out your earnings via PayPal. PayPal is the fastest and most convenient way to receive your money, so be sure to take advantage of it. By following these simple tips, you can start earning more money with Inbox Dollars today. Number 9, Ibotta. Ibotta is a popular cashback app that offers users the opportunity to earn money back on their everyday purchases. These apps works with a variety of retailers like Walmart, Target, Whole Foods, etc. and includes PayPal and offers a wide range of deals and coupons. To use the app, simply link your PayPal account and start shopping. When you make a purchase at a participating retailer, you'll automatically earn cash back. The amount you earn varies depending on the retailer and the offer, but it's typically between 1% and 10%. You can then withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account or use them to shop online or in app. Ibotta is a great way to earn some extra cash on your everyday purchases, so be sure to check it out. Number 8, Survey Junkie. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make money online, Survey Junkie is a great option. With Survey Junkie, you can take surveys and earn rewards that you can redeem for cash via PayPal. The surveys are usually short and take only a few minutes to complete, so you can easily rack up a decent amount of money in a relatively short period of time. Plus, Survey Junkie is a reputable company with a solid user base, so you can be confident that you're getting paid for your work. If you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, Survey Junkie is definitely worth checking out. Number 7, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a great way to earn some extra cash, but it takes a bit of effort to really maximize your earnings. Most of its users are based in the US and Canada, so if you're outside of those two countries, then I recommend you use a VPN. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of Swagbucks. First, make sure you're taking advantage of all the opportunities to earn. In addition to completing surveys and watching videos, you can also earn Swagbucks by shopping online and using the Swagbucks search engine. The more you use Swagbucks, the more chances you have to earn. Second, take some time to learn about the different types of rewards that Swagbucks offers. While PayPal Cash is always nice, there are also many other valuable rewards, including gift cards for popular retailers. By understanding the value of different rewards, you can better focus your efforts on earning the ones that are most valuable to you. Finally, remember that consistency is key when it comes to earning Swagbucks. The more active you are on the site, the more chances you'll have to rack up points. So log in every day and take advantage of every opportunity to earn. With a little effort, you can easily start racking up a nice stash of Swagbucks. Number 6, Rakuten. Rakuten is a Japanese e-commerce giant that offers a cashback rebate program. Rakuten operates in Japan and other countries, including the United States, Australia, Canada, and Taiwan. The company was founded in 1997 and it was originally known as Ebates. In 2014, the company changed its name to Rakuten. Rakuten means optimism in Japanese. Rakuten offers a PayPal cashback rebate program that allows customers to earn money back on their online purchases. customers can use the Rakuten PayPal account to receive cashback rebates on their online purchases from over 2,500 retailers. Rakuten PayPal accounts are linked to debit and credit cards, so customers can automatically earn cashback rebates on their everyday purchases. Rakuten PayPal accounts can also be used to withdraw cash at ATMs worldwide. Number 5, Lucktastic. If you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash, Lucktastic may be just the thing for you. With this app, you can play games to win prizes, and you can also enter sweepstakes for a chance to win even bigger prizes. The prizes you can win includes gift cards, electronics, and even cold hard cash. And if you're lucky enough to win, you can choose to receive your prize through PayPal. So not only is Lucktastic a lot of fun, but it's also a quick and easy way to make some extra money. Plus, who doesn't love playing games and winning prizes? Lucktastic is free to download and easy to use, so it's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash. So if you're looking for a fun way to make some extra cash, be sure to check out Lucktastic. Number 4, Feature Points. There are many ways to make money with feature points, and the amount of money you can earn will depend on how many points you have. One way to earn points is by completing surveys. Each survey will give you a certain number of points, and the number of points you can earn will depend on the length and complexity of the survey. You can also earn points by downloading and trying out new apps. For each app you download, you will earn a certain number of points, and the number of points you can earn will depend on the app. Finally, you can also earn points by referring your friends to feature points. For each friend that you refer, you will earn a certain number of points. The more friends you refer, the more points you will earn. With feature points, there are endless opportunities to make money. So what are you waiting for? Start earning today. Number 3, My Points. If you're looking for an easy way to save money on your online shopping or earn extra money, My Points is a great option. My Points is the largest rewards-based online shopping platform in the United States. It's very easy to use, and they have top customer service just in case you have any questions while using the platform. It's a marketing company that offers its members points for shopping, referring friends, and taking surveys. Members can then redeem these points for cash, prizes, or gift cards to popular retailers such as Amazon, Apple, and JCPenney. Members can also get up to 40% cash back with each purchase from 2,000 retailers. You definitely want to take advantage of the travel deals like Hotels.com if you plan on booking a trip in the future. You'll earn a decent amount of cash back if you do. I personally have used this app to sign up for free trials through the site to earn extra money. Then I canceled them and still was able to redeem my points for a $50 PayPal gift card. I believe that's the best and fastest way to earn money on My Points. Number 2. Mobi. Become a secret shopper and download Mobi. Mobi is one of the leading secret shopping apps available on iOS and Android. If you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, the Mobi app is definitely worth checking out. With Mobi, you can earn rewards just for completing tasks in your favorite stores and restaurants. The tasks are usually quick and simple, like taking a survey or taking a picture of a display. And the best part is that you can cash out your earnings via PayPal or gift cards. So why not give Mobi a try next time you're out and about? It's a great way to earn some extra spending money without having to put in much effort. Before we get to number 1, be sure to like and subscribe and tell us your thoughts in the comments below after the video. Also, we'd like to invite you to a free YouTube training course that will show you the ultimate strategy for making money on YouTube. So if you're serious about starting a YouTube channel and making money, click the link in the description and get started now. Number 1, Digistore24. Digistore24 is an online platform that allows digital product creators to sell their products and courses. The platform takes care of all the technical aspects of setting up and hosting digital products, so creators can focus on creating content. In addition, Digistore24 provides a range of marketing tools to help creators promote their products. For example, creators can create coupons and discount codes to offer buyers, or they can use the platform's email marketing feature to stay in touch with customers. One of the great things about Digistore24 is that it integrates with PayPal, making it easy to accept payments from customers. In addition, Digistore24 provides a variety of powerful tools to help you run your business, including an inventory management system, product pages, and automatic shipping calculations. With all of these features, it's no wonder that Digistore24 is one of the most popular choices for online businesses. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful marketing features, Digistore24 is an essential tool for anyone selling digital products. You can become an affiliate by selecting the products on Digistore24 and promoting them on your desired traffic source like YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Here at Cash Mojo, we believe affiliate marketing is one of the best business models to potentially generate passive income. The YouTube course we mentioned earlier will also teach you that. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos from making money online part 2, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.